Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable HD photos and Instagram DMs. So actually guys, that feature is not an old one, it's just released, and yeah, you can also use it on Instagram as WhatsApp, etc. So let's just get and see how you can do that. So by tapping on Instagram, after that, after you're on Instagram, I just want you to go into your DMs on the top right corner and tap on it. And right here, I just want you to choose the conversation that you want to send the photo to, or the one that you want to send the photo to. So, for example, I want to send the photo on this group. So let's get on it. And after that, I just want you to upload to upload a photo or to take a photo from the camera or upload it from your device by tapping on this icon. And right here, as you can see, this is the photos, but you can see right here the HD. So by tapping on this HD, you can now just choose one picture. You can send a picture by picture, guys. Don't send multiple pictures, because they will not go into the conversation, or they will not be posted on the chat with the HD quality, all of them. So for example, let's choose that one, and then let's for example choose that picture, and then tap on send in the bottom right corner, and it will be sent on the HD quality. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.